Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Sony Xperia 10.4. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here, we can customize it. You can sign in to turn on sync or do it later. I'm gonna do it later. Here you can set up for data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disable it and move on. The last option is to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and let's try that. Select the Edge and set as default. From here we can open any website and it should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.